Do you know Google My Business is renamed to Google Business Profile? GMB Dashboard and GMB app are no longer available. Hello guys, I'm Shaun and you are watching Local Ranker Post. According to Google's newest statement, Google My Business is being renamed Google Business Profile. Previously it was known as Google My Business or Google My Business Listing. It's not the first time Google has changed Google My Business name. Google renamed this local business product several times in the past, such as in the past it was called Google Places, Google Plus Local or Google Local. So here Google is not only changing the name but also changing the GMB dashboard as well. We will see a lot of major changes in this local business product which will impact significantly on your business and your local SEO strategies. So let's discuss the first changes Google will reveal to us. First of all, Google My Business Dashboard or GMB Dashboard will not be available for every business. It will support larger businesses with multiple locations. Businesses that are bulk verified will have dashboard access only, and the renamed name of Google My Business Dashboard will be Business Profile Manager. Yes, the Google My Business Dashboard will be renamed to Business Profile Manager. It will be changed to Business Profile Manager. Larger businesses with multiple locations or bulk verified businesses may use all the features from the dashboard or search engine result pages. It's clear that business with less than 10 listings can't use GMB Dashboard. You will get listings, verification, analytics, GMB reinstatement, everything on Google search result page or in Google Maps. So Google will ensure everything for the listings that have less than 10 businesses. They can access all the information from the Google Maps or the search results. So here you need to add the My Business. Number 2, business less than 10 listings will not be able to use dashboard. Yes, business less than 10 business that doesn't have access to GMB dashboard will be able to use GMB dashboard features on the Google search result page. Here, it's a recorded version, the sample version, and Google is showing how you can access everything. You need to just search My Business or your business name and you can access your GMB dashboards from the search result, and you can also access everything from the Google Maps that merge to the search result page or Google Maps. But you must log in with your Google profile ID, the actual business ID you own, and from the search result you can manage your business. Number 3, Google My Business app will be no longer available in 2022. Yes, in 2022 Google will retire the Google My Business app, so more merchants can take advantage of the upgraded experience on search and maps. The thing we are discussing, then Google My Businesses everything will be merged to Google Maps and accessible through Google search result pages. They are retiring Google My Business app. This is the news. Here is the news. All the app functions will be accessible from the search page and messages. Chat and other functions will be moved to the Google Maps app. You can use message or chat with your customer from the Google Maps app. Yes. So thank you guys for watching this video. To get more updates on Google My Business or Business Profile Manager, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and if you have any questions regarding local SEO, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to make a video on this. Peace.